coming to get food, right?
Oh, I can't leave my dog alone in the car.
Why not?
It's 90 degrees outside.
Only be 30 minutes.
So cute. Can I give him a treat?
Yeah, of course he loves treats.
Here, buddy.
Whoa, what is that?
Chocolate.
Dogs can't have chocolate?
Why not? Get these fell out of your trash.
Oh, whoa, what are you doing?
Throwing them away. They're disgusting.
No, those are my dog's favorite.
Just get him new ones. A few of us are going on a weekend trip. You should come.
Oh, I don't have anyone to watch Oliver.
Oh, well, just give him like a big bowl of food and one of those boxes with like sand in it. What's it called?
A litter box?
Yes, give him one of those. He'll be fine. You know, I think I should get a dog.